Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign custom button images in Razer Stream Controller without any functions. And to do this, first you will need to install a loop deck from their official website. You can also check our previous video on how to do it. Now when it's installed, you should see something like this. And now you will need to click on this X button. I would go for a custom action, select the sound. Then we can name it, for example, like this. Then we can pass our file. I'm just gonna enter some random letters right here so that it won't have any action. And now when everything is selected, we can click on this pen button in the icon, go for browse, find the image you want to set as your icon, and simply remove the text like this. You can even move it. Then click on save and save again. Now it should appear right here in your stored custom actions, and you can assign them to your keys, and they should appear without any functions. So that means if you press on them, nothing will happen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.